Hey guys, Codcat Gaming here with my first pre-recorded video in a while. So we're gonna be showing you how to change your banner. So basically, you're gonna want to go to say you have the image. If you don't have the image, the way to get the image is press the Windows button if you're on Windows 10, and then hold it down, and then do on my thing it looks like PRT space SC. Then click that. If you see your computer dim like that, that means that it took the picture. So when you do that, you're going to want to go to customization. Then you're going to want to go to branding. And then you're going to want to go to banner image. And then you're going to go change or add if you haven't done one before. And you got to go to pictures. And then your thing that you just took will be in screenshots. So you got to open that. And then you just click whatever you want. And as you can see, this was viewable on TV, like the fireplace, so you could sort of see in the background. So you can click on that, focus on it, or like hold it down, like say this viewable on desktop, and then phone and iPad. This bit is what you want to be most worried about. Part that has like the inner square with like his eye and all that. That's what you want to be worried about. And yeah, so when you have that, you just go done. But then you have to go to publish in the top right. And then when you do that, there'll be a bar, changes published. And then yeah, that's really it. You can also do like video watermarks here, Cloudcat Gaming, like or your profile picture. Do whatever you want. But anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.